morning mga kagala! Today, we're going to Johor Bahru together with our discipleship group. And now, we are here at Carmona's place because they are coming with us in the vehicle. It's been 2 weeks mga kagala since we last met, so we ended up sharing a lot of stories. And in less than 1 hour, ay nakarating na tayo dito sa Woodlands Checkpoint.
Say hi, Chloe and Lucio.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, Lucio. Hi.
We've already passed through the Woodlands Checkpoint and now we are currently lining up at Johor Bahru's Checkpoint. Sobrang convenient po mga kagala kung nakasakay ka sa private vehicle papunta sa Johor Bahru. And this is the condominium building where we are going to stay. And finally mga kagala, after almost 2 hours, we arrive at RNF Princess Cove. We were welcomed by Kuya Miko and Ate Cathy.
Picture! Video pala.
Video to.
May video pala. Hello.
Mag-edit ako.
Hindi na lang may vlogger tayo. Hello. Hello. Welcome po.
So ito po ang aming kitchen. Ito si Chef Miko. Ayan. So ang ganda ng kitchen namin. Oh, may ginto kaming kutsara.
Pamayaman.
Ayan. Ganda, ganda. So ayan. Yan sila. Si Kuya Miko and si Ate Cathy. Sila ang aming D group leader. Ayan. May CR din to. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa yung isa. This is the bigger one. So, oh, ganda diba? Ito po ang Johor Bahru. Yan, ito po yung ginagawang trend. Sige, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming view. Ito ang aming balcony. Nasa 28th floor po kami. Yan. Oh no, ang taas! So again, Malaysia, Singapore, Malaysia, Singapore, Malaysia, Singapore. So lapit. Before having lunch, we explored the amenities of RNF Condominium. Napakalawak, napakaganda, at sobrang sariwa ng hangin dito. O diba? It's not only the kids who enjoy, pati na rin po kaming mga piling bata. Okay mga kagala, so syempre sa galaan ay hindi mawawala ang kainan. So dito po kami sa Pacific Coffee sa may Johor Bahru. So ayan na. So anong lunch mo, love? Salted egg, sweet and sour, 18 salted egg. Salted egg. Ayan, TL. Kailan na yan? Sa'yo kuya, ano po yan?
Mala chicken din yun.
Same ng KL. Ito ay salted egg with fries. Kay Mira, wow, pikyaw. Ayun, pikyaw yung kay Ate Ellen. Ito yung nangagaw ng food ko.
Chicken rendang.
Ayan.
With banana fritters.
Wow, isa yung ate.
Banana fritters.
Yummy! While the mommies are at the grocery store, it's time for daddies and babies to enjoy the rides. Yan, so tomorrow po alas 11, alis na rin kami eh. Tapos ang food namin pang 1 week. Oh my God! How come mga iniwan sa grocery? Oh, ito pa pala kay Carmona, oh. Ang dami meron pa dito. Fall in line. What will you say? What will you say? Thank you. Next, Amira. Lucio. Lucio, wala ka. Oh, Amira. Keep giving. Oh. Ooh. Wow! Take it. What will you say? Okay, tulugan na. Wala na, wala na. Wala na. Yay! For Lucio. Wow! At syempre, hindi makukompleto ang aming stay hanggat hindi kami naliligo sa swimming pool. Ito kaya ang pinaka-inaabangan ng mga bata.
Wala pa, oh. Say hi! Let's try, let's try. Yun! Yay! Ayan na, oh. Oh, say hi! Hi!
Good evening mga kagala. So, eto na po tayo. Nagulat pa ang aming group leader. Ayan. So, every time tayo nagbibideo ay kumakain. So, makain po ulit tayo. Dinner naman. Meron kaming Vietnamese food. Sila naman po mga Din Tai food. Ayan, so alam niyo yung mga alam niyo kung sino yung mga nakakaangat sa buhay, tsaka sa mga naghihikahos. So, mga nakading typhoon lang naman po sila. Ayan. So, kami lang po ang Vietnamese food. Eh. Good morning again mga kagala. This is our second day and let's have some coffee muna while we wait for the others for our church service.
Sorrow is peripheral.
Mga nagpiprepare na po sila para mag-check out. Linis time. Okay, very good. Claygo, clean as you go. Mga kagala, before we head back to Singapore, we decided to have some lunch here at Uncle Five's Coffee. Hi! Hi guys! Yummy oh! Ito pa yun. Hey Lucio! What are you doing? O diba? He definitely knows his favorite fruit. Avocado, dragon fruit, and corn. Sayang, walang watermelon. It's time for us to go home mga kagala and we feel so blessed to have a family in Christ like Wangkok Couples D Group and the whole family of CCM. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Until next time, have a nice day and God bless you!